Babae daw, kanini ko lang utang.
The cab has already been assembled and is carefully
Tama ba
assembled.
itong club? Mechanical sa babae dito pa na sa
Now it's time for the fun
Yan ay
part.
babae.
One of the most extraordinary bits of the machine is
Sige
its
ba?
cutter head,
Naka-endor ka daw
which must now be attached to the body.
Hindi
Each
magkaroon
head
siya ako.
alone costs
Interview, ikaw ay babae,
$70,000,
sukot
and
ka?
here a newly built cutter head is being put through its paces.
Huwag ka na doon.
Each head
Ano na
is
inyo doon, no?
non-stop for 90 minutes.
Huwag ka boxing ba? Ang
Check that
pakyaw.
the hydraulics are working, that the joints are moving freely, and the head
Hydraulic
is
din mo daw?
responding to the control unit.
Hydraulic mo? Hydraulic kung gamit
But
ano.
it's all very well testing the thing in a
Sige na doon.
factory.
Ato
The head
gawas.
will have to saw, lift, strip, and chop whole trees in freezing temperatures.
Kana ila, di mo na
Let's see
sila.
if it's up to the job.
Ila, ana, experience lang ko na ila. Oh, grabe yung suso. Oh,
Sige mo na, nag-robot to.
Welcome to the RoboJack Gymnasium.
Oh!
Muna inyo doon.
Nada kayo. Vivo lang ito na una.
Amazingly versatile, sturdy, and apparently really good fun to use.
Oh, kabas po dito automatic na ba no?
Lagi, kung pikas na siya.
One of the lucky guys who gets to play with them all day.
Kamu po di ka.
Limpyo pa dito kayo ba?
Po dahil mag-program. Ba?
Limpyo kayo kung
Limpyo kang kawin mo?
Dala, dala.
You have much toys to play with.
Laikig
Kids
ng...
for the future, they are
Laikig ng lagi, pero...
they are used to play with these joysticks.
These machines
Bibo
have a
kayo tanawin
potential
mo.
host of apprentices waiting in line to operate.
Grabe, tulo kayo
Once
pirit
the
na.
machines have passed the tests, they're ready to be
Tamnan sa dahil na nila balik pa ba?
The cutting head does so many jobs, it's not surprising it's heavy. The head alone weighs a ton. But for such a heavy bit of equipment,
Ano sa kinaglikid kay?
nimble and responsive to the lightest touch on the joystick.
Marag nylon
Chop trees at a simple,
Oh,
astonishing
estimate
speed.
pa!
Oo.
First, the cutter head
Ah,
grips the
tumba
tree.
din na ba?
Then, with its main chainsaw, it cuts the tree near its roots. Once cut, the tree is tilted and passed through the cutter head, where a set of knives strip the tree of all branches.
Look, limpyo.
Limpyo
Then
ba?
another saw cuts the tree trunks into logs of varying length.
Ah,
Mataas pa gid.
And all of
sakit
this
siya.
is controlled by one man and an onboard computer.
Negative
Dapat ito mapunin.
These tree
Computer mo, dahil lahat ko ng operator.
typically
Sige, magkano ho?
but in the grip of RoboJack, they seem more like cocktail
Oh,
sticks.
ito, limpyo kay pa mo.
Finland's logging machines harvest 70 million cubic feet of
Advance ka dito,
forest
kay.
every year. That's enough logs to feed
What?
the
Aday ligid ba?
stadium over
Hain
17 times. 70% goes to make paper, 20%
Spike
goes to
din na.
construction,
Ah,
and
limpyo.
80%
Ay, dahon, no?
the tree back for
Sugba pa.
to heat the staff canteen.
So ba nag-hotdog?
Ah, sugba pa dahil.
The
Itagan mo.
trouble is, there
Sausage.
are no street signs here. So when you're miles inside a vast Finnish forest,
Ada kay sana yung suludan
you know
na ba?
where you are and whether you're chopping down the right trees.
No?
Well, RoboJack got
Spike,
something
kanina?
yesterday lumberjacks would never have imagined possible.
Kamas.
GPS.
GPS.
RoboJack has a quiet
Ay,
word with a
GPS,
few friendly passing satellites who
Sige,
tell you
mga
where
controls,
it is on
Operator?
Earth's surface. It'll set
Pag na, so ka na.
Did you face pa oh?
At the same time,
Susunod, wala nang
constantly
siko-killer pa,
relaying
wala
information
nang
back to
siko-killer.
base at the timber mill.
Sa
telling
una,
how much
ang
it's
sa
chopping
Jeris
down.
Philippines, hanapin mo na to.
Each robot lumberjack can process a staggering 1,000 trees a day.
Dugay ka, gadali ng hardware. Lahat na order, ha?
Day, or 3,000
Uli na po!
And as the trees come down,
Oh,
even more are being planted. In Finland, a staggering 100
Sa unang panahon, magabas ang tao, ang tinuig ang mahuman sa gabas.
Dugay kayo.
Ang hinay pa kaayo ng gabas. Kini among gigamit ang hydraulic na good.
More trees than there were before the Second World War.
Pero mao ni dali ra makahurot sa kahoy.
Ano to?